There's a huge wall covering industry in non-wovens, paper-based wall coverings, PVC wall coverings, that I think has a tremendous value, and a lot of people don't know about it. This is a product by Ahlstrom. Ahlstrom is a European company, tremendous influence in Europe. They have phenomenal collection of non-woven wall coverings. And in the United States, a lot of people aren't aware of them like they are in Europe. This particular product is called the Ahlstrom Easy Image MA8009. 8009 spray up. Sometimes you'll see their products will say SU, and that means spray up. If it says spray up, it means the back of the product has an adhesive. And the adhesive on the back of the product can be activated by water. So if I'm a DIYer, paste up wall covering is a little intimidating. That's going to be a little much for me. It's just too much of a learning curve. And I'd like to use the peel and stick, but unfortunately I don't have the dexterity, and I'm probably going to lose panels that way. Because you really do, even if it's repositionable, it's only repositionable to a degree. At some point you got to line up those panels, make sure everything lines up, and then commit. If I'm going to do a DIY, I like the pre-pasted spray up type products. I want to have like my potato paste on the back. I lay these out, I get them nice and wet, I kind of sponge the wall, and then I slide it up there, get it exactly where I want, and then I commit to it. Then the next panel, same thing. I line it all up and commit to it. It allows me to install things on a wall without really being very good as an installer. This is a DIY product in my opinion, and I like this for DIY. It looks nice, it is a paper-based wall covering, it has a nice tactile finish to it, and this is the spray-up version, which is available in the United States. The Ahlstrom products are widely certified. They've been certified for years. They have a nice list of them. I do recommend them. I think that either as a paste wall covering, which is what they're generally used as, people put them up just as a paste, or some of their spray up lines. Very nice, innovative, interesting products for wall covering, especially for people that don't do wall covering. If you want to bring a professional crew in, yeah, by all means get the paste versions, the traditional commercial versions, no trouble. But if you want to have a simple DIY solution, so if I'm going to do my basement, this would certainly be one of my top choices because I like the product, it's easy to install, and then if I want to remove it, all you got to do is get it nice and wet and peel it right back off the wall again. It's not as committed as paste wall covering, and it's easier for me to install than the peel and sticks. So this is an Ahlstrom, it's certified, HB latex all the way. We've been doing it for years. Just wanted to make you aware of it so that you can look for it, because I think it's worth noting, especially if you're going to be in the wall covering market. And this is a very nice growth market with PVC-free paper-based products from Ahlstrom that are real innovative.